everybody, today we're doing a collective haul of the things that I've been buying recently, and we're just gonna start off. If you're interested in these glasses, I'll link them in the description as well as my code coach. And this was really cute. It's kind of unexpected, but I was interested in it. I saw it and I really did like it. Comes with the bow. Super cute. And this belt. Oh, let me do my reel. I just filmed reels for these items, but it came in the box. And it's a mess out here. Came with the tissue. This is for, you know, it's still luxury, but not the tiers that it's not like Louis Vuitton or Chanel. This is still very much beautiful packaging. And they gave me something too. So came in this dust bag to reveal. Ta-da! This is the Coach suede with the leather trim piping Juliet bag and gold hardware. They gave me the pillow with it. Isn't that so cute? And then it does come with the detachable, adjustable crossbody strap, which I love. I did try this on and I will do some mod shots later on. But yes, how cute is this? This is really, really good sizing too. And yeah, I really like the minimal logo right here. So cute. And then you do have the luggage tag as well that says Coach. The hardwares do say Coach on them. Right here, this buckle says Coach. This buckle says Coach, and then the top buckle says Coach. And there's no feet on the bottom. This says Coach on the side right there. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pull punch adjustables. And this is currently on the 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth hole. And then it does come with this to stop it from sliding down. But yes, it's such a cute shoulder hobo style. I'm looking at it in the mirror and it's super cute. Okay. And then went to Hermes. And I also did a reel on this already, so that's why the ribbon is off. And they are a pair of shoes. So let me take them off. If you're not familiar with Hermes shoes, they come with individual dust bags, and they are sheep sandals. I get my true size, which is a 7. They still have space in the toe box, and on the heel I get my Orans in a full size up, which are 8s, because I like them to be, I don't like my heel sticking out, and this one, my heel has more space at the top. This is also sweet. I guess I got suede items today. So this is an orange, and then this is more of like a capucines color. Both in suede, leather, and then H's on the bottom. Love the sheep sandals much more than the Orans. The Orans to me are just not, it's just not the best comfortable sandal in my opinion, and transition wise is just not the best for me. I just like these much more. They're more comfortable, they're casual yet still suitable for whatever you want to wear. So cute. They match my glasses. How cute is that? I love these. Whoa, it's louder than I was anticipating. And then this item, again, I also filmed a reel for it. I ordered this because it's a pre-order, pre-launch item, and I love it because it reminds me of something I used to own and I don't anymore, and I think I'm back to this style, but I have yet to style it with my items and how it looks on me, and I just want to see how my things fit in it before I actually decide, okay, I'm keeping it because I love it. So it comes in this dust bag to reveal. Ta-da! This is the Louis Vuitton Loki PM, because it comes with the MM version or GM version, which is so much bigger than this. And this is in the quartz color, gold hardware. So pretty. And this it has padding on the interior right here, so it's more comfortable on the shoulder. It has 3 hole adjustments right here, and this is currently on the longest setting. And this is a magnetic closure, so this part is magnetic, so there's a hole in the LV, and that's the only logo, is the LV right there, and then the lock. Just like that. And then it does say, it does not say Louis Vuitton anywhere else. Oh, and then on the bottom it does say Louis Vuitton right here on this buckle. And then on the interior you have the suede interior. This one is made in France. And then it has the big compartment right here, a zipper compartment, and then this other compartment. On the zipper compartment, it's this monogram textile print. It's actually super cute. Can you guys see that? It's so pretty. I really like that. That's so cute. I love that. It's really cute. Let me show these 2 items for comparison. And I do still have the carry-all bag. I am going to return that for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna do a comparison before I do return that. But just seeing how they look in the mirror. Oh, I just wish this was kind of a little bit bigger, because the bigger size of this is way too big. And then this one looks way too small. Ooh, I don't know. Did I make a mistake? I thought I would love it more than I do. Let's do some mod shots, shall we? And I am a size 14, 16, 5 feet tall, and excuse my background. So this is the carry-all. This is the Loki PM with nothing inside. I don't know, do we like that? Like, she's so tiny. And then this is the other one. See, I feel like that's a better, maybe like a daily size, and this is more like a day to night. And then put it on your shoulder or crossbody, and it's actually really comfortable and it lays really nicely. My Coach girl now, this is wild. And here's the other side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on all my socials. I will leave them down below. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.